Hello, I'm Dr. Hlatshwayo Davis, Director of Health for the City of St. Louis. The City of St. Louis Department of Health will be helping to protect some of the most vulnerable members of our community from COVID-19 by providing them with antigen test kits and N95 masks. This is equity in action. These at-risk members of our population include teachers, unhoused residents, the elderly, those living in pharmacy deserts, and many others who may not have access to telephone or internet services to access federal programs. Although COVID-19 daily case counts, hospitalizations, and the percent positivity rate in the city continue to trend downward, there remain individuals in our community who are at risk for severe illness from the virus. They need to have access to masks and a means for timely notification of infection to assist in their well-being. The Department of Health will be using other departments and community partners to help distribute these resources. Be safe and be well, St. Louis.